Hello everyone, welcome to Mamacita on the Move. Hope you're having a fantastic week. We received a huge box from Perdue Farms with amazing goodies. I would like to share with you all of these delicious items, which are perfect for family meals. Let's open it up. First, I would like to disclose that this is a sponsored campaign and I receive compensation. Okay, so let's see what they sent us. This box is so perfectly packaged to protect the product and also the environment. And more on this on my blog post. So let's see. First up, we got the pork breakfast sausage. Looks so good. My husband is going to love this one during our Sunday morning breakfast with scrambled eggs. Let's see what's next. Okay. Oh, we have the cured bacon wrapped with rosemary pork loin chops. Looks amazing. No sugar added. And all natural. Another great choice for family meals. So looking forward to trying this soon. Oh, we have another one. Wonderful. The more the merrier. Let's see. We also received Coleman Natural uncured bacon. Which is also great for breakfast. Oh wow, look at this. Panko breaded Dino nuggets. These are nugget shaped breaded chicken breast patties with rib meat. No antibiotics ever. 100% all natural chicken. No preservatives, no fillers. Since our daughter is at college, well, guess what? We get to eat these, my husband and I. These are great options for lunch or dinner. And lastly, this box keeps going on. We have a box of individual wrapped chicken breast tenderloins, boneless and skinless, no salt added, about 20 per box. Again, no natural. They're all natural, I'm sorry, no hormones, no steroids added. And there you have it. This is what the Perdue Family Farm sent us. These products are amazing. They have been in our family forever. It's a tradition. We buy Perdue at least once a week. I look forward to making some delicious recipes soon. Meanwhile, I invite you all to visit PerdueFarms.com. Take care. Bye.